Castor oil has been used for skin, hair and many other health benefits for ages. Some people use it to reduce the appearance of dark circles under the eyes. Dark circles impact overall appearance as you begin to look older than you may be. Home remedies like castor oil can fade them for you to look younger and feel better. We will take a closer look to understand whether or not castor oil is good for dark circles under the eyes. We will also discuss how to use it for quick results. So stay tuned to the end. Dark circles are formed due to lack of sleep, allergies, excess alcohol consumption and aging. Castor oil is an age-old remedy for dark circles. It is neither backed nor rejected by any scientific studies, but some people who have used it are happy about the results. There are many properties of castor oil which makes it good for your skin. It contains fatty acids such as ricinoleic acid, linoleic acid, stearic acid and oleic acid, which provide anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial and moisturizing capabilities. Castor oil is hydrophilic oil, which means it penetrates the skin better than many other vegetable oils. That is why it is considered safe, and you certainly can try it out to fade your dark circles. It will not harm your skin. When your skin gets consistently moisturized well, then the skin tones fade and reduce the appearance of dark circles. In addition, castor oil penetrates the skin, stimulating the skin for production of collagen and elastin. These proteins form the base of the skin, and skin gets thickened to look more vibrant. If your dark circles are due to lack of sleep or allergies, then castor oil and other home remedies are more effective to reduce the appearance of dark circles. You can safely try castor oil to fade your dark circles without worrying too much about any side effects. Using castor oil on dark circles under the eyes is straightforward and easy. Wash and dry your face. Close your eyes and gently rub a few drops of castor oil on the dark circles under the eyes. Wash it off in 30 minutes. Do it 2 to 3 times daily. Castor oil may irritate some skin. Those people should avoid it and try other remedies. But for the majority of others, castor oil is good and can fade dark circles under the eyes. If you have used castor oil or any other remedy to effectively reduce your dark circles, then feel free to share your experience in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.